The wolves gave us a scepter. They will answer, should we call on them.
Good. There's a shortcut to Njord's temple we can use in daylight.
The Einherjar are holding Freyr in your father's own temple.
It's been empty for as long as I can remember. There's a celestial altar across the river. According to Bigvir, the altars were once used to signal the wolves, and now we have just the scepter to do it.
What is your plan?
When we reach the temple, I'll fire off the beacon. A signal for Bela and Birgir to set off their distraction.
The Dark Elf Hive.
Nice to not be on the receiving end of it for once.
With their attention drawn elsewhere, you and I can assault the main force from behind.
While Atreus and Hildisvíni slip in to rescue your brother in the confusion.
Yes. Once we see their beacon, we'll regroup by the river and escape on Freyr's boat.
Stop that whisk, brother! Right side, brother! Forward, brother! Left flank!
Left flank! Incoming Bifrost! Get that thing to shut up!
Right side! Fight right! Impressive! Bifrost on your left!
Enemies on the left!
Bifrost! Very carefully, brother!
This is the last.
They've rallied more soldiers since our last visit.
Our disadvantages are many.
That no can kill your friend, brother!
Switching!
Try dragging the scepter across the bell a few times. Come on, we're making good time.
Actions in this realm follow the prophecy of the giants. Atreus believes Ragnarok is inevitable.
The Norns were quite clear on the nature of prophecy. They told us the sum of our choices were predictable. But we have changed, haven't we?
Right side, brother! Left side!
The Norn said you'd kill Heimdall, but you chose not to walk that path. Back when we first met, I doubt you'd have done the same.
And you? Do you still seek Ragnarok?
Odin has much to answer for. If Groa's prophecy is correct, perhaps my realm can finally know peace. Perhaps I can know peace.
Forgive me for being a head on a belt, but haven't we all just established how prophecy is pure havers?
Gods, Mimir.
What?
The most annoying man alive. More up ahead.
Enemy behind you! Shield strike now! Enemy behind you, Kratos!
Careful, that's the Alpha. Tough fight.
The Alpha! Alpha!
This way.
Alas, poor Nithog.
It was in our way.
Aye, I don't doubt it. Curious, though. What was she doing here?
Odin used roots of the World Tree as part of his spell that kept me from leaving Midgard. Nithog protects the tree's roots, wherever they are.
Ah, I see. Odin used her.
And she unwittingly paid the price.
Classic Odin.
Just make extra noise once the assault begins. If we distract them long enough, Hildisvini and Atreus will have more than enough time to get in and out undetected.
I am not worried for Atreus. He is ready to fight on his own.
This is it. There's an altar behind these vines. Call on Skoll, please. Are you ready?
I am. Are you?
I'm not leaving here without my brother. We're coming for you, Yngvi.
Completely giving away your position. What idiots! Oh. If it isn't Queen Mistletoe herself. Hilarious, by the way. Been a while.
Heimdall.
And you must be the little half-breed's father. Lucky day! You have a lot to answer for, Sunshine. You too, traitor.
Better a traitor than Odin's lapdog.
The burden is mine.
I can help.
since you are needed elsewhere.
He's right, you know. Sizzles wasn't looking so hot last I saw.
I know you didn't want this, but we know how this ends. See you soon.
Well, we both know that's not true. But don't worry, Frigg. I'll be coming for you and your brother as soon as I am finished here. Now, what you got? Not going to lie, I'm disappointed. Come on, animal! Whoa! What did Gultoper ever do to you? Have some Bifrost on me! With your reputation, I thought I would at least break a sweat. So aggressive. So angry. Oh, did you want some more? Really? You are the one who killed Baldur? Having fun yet? Oh well, you and me then. Oh look, the stick is back. What the? I can feel your frustration. It is immensely satisfying.
What now, brother?
The spear remains our best chance.
Nobody is coming. Queen Mistletoe. Hey, careful! These are new bracelets. Oh, he is mad now, isn't he? Oh, wait! You expected the stick to give you an advantage? Ah, I can see the resemblance now. Hilarious! The scion of the Æsir brought down by an old geezer's cane. Ah! No! 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 By the gods! You are ridiculous! You actually hit me! Slow down! I don't remember the last time anyone hit me! You know, pain is not as bad as I remember. Slow down!
Come on, brother! You hit him once! Just gotta find the right opening!
When was the last time I even used this? You think you can bring down Asgard? Hurry! You strike like a sloppy cow! Ha-ha! There we are! Armor fit for a cow!
Strike, brother!
Slow it down. Slow down.
Strike, brother!
I can't decide if I'm more surprised or pissed off. Slow it down.
He's open!
Stop! Look! That's all this is! Wait. What is going on in that empty little head? Oh, no. You are going to spare me out of pity!
Let it go, you may live.
Is this about the little runt? Oh, now I am definitely going to gut him.
This is your final warning.
I don't think a warning's going to cut it.
You think you get to just walk away? No. That is not how this works. You do not get to decide my fate! You are dead, sunshine. Way over your head! Don't you know who I am? I am the Watchman of the Æsir, the Herald of Ragnarok! I am going to find that little mongrel of yours and beat his face into a is walking away from this. And it sure as shit will not be you! How dare you try and spare me! You are quite annoying! I am growing very sick of it! It will be over soon! I tried to. Slow down.
This isn't who you want to be! Kratos, that was just... I don't know if we are breaking fate, or fate's breaking us.
Hey, a little help?
At least the rescue's going well.
I'll cover him, but we can't get through the door. We're trapped.
I got an idea.
The door's down! Can you move?
Not sure, but...
Get tight! We'll figure it.
I will carry him.
You what? No, I can make it.
You cannot.
Ow, ow, ow! Easy.
To me! Follow!
We, got company back here.
Oh, no. Okay, okay. We're almost there, right?
Archers ahead!
Seriously?
Hey, I'm Atreus. You okay?
Hi! No!
Just hold on.
Alright. We gotta be close, right?
On your right!
Keep going! We're almost at the river!
I'm about to hurl.
Where's the boat?
Let's throw it in the river.
Hurry now. That won't hold them for long.
Whoa! Of course. It's Scorpia. Freyr's boat.
They will regroup. We should go.
You should have seen your faces. Relax.
It's flying! We're flying!
I knew it would do that.
We have guests!
There's another one!
I knew this was going too smoothly.
Little help?
They're too fast! Look out!
I can't get a steady shot.
Behind you!
Doja frendur. Doja sjálfur sama. Ég veit ein að aldrei dojar. Dómur, dáðan.
Birgir! No! For Vanaheim! Damn it, Birgir.
Ah, come on. You really think that's the end of Birgir?
You think he survived that?
He's down there picking the dirt out of his nails with the beast's feathers. You'll see. He has to be.
We're almost there, Yngvi. Just hold on a bit longer.
I don't suppose I have much of a choice at the moment.
Lunda, we need cloth and boiling water. Red root and
lamb's grass, I know. You think I never staunched a bleeder before? Oh, now don't you go worrying, boss. I didn't go through any of your stuff while you was off being tortured.
Ah! Damn it, Lunda! Easy.
Heck you sassing me for? I ain't the one who stuck you like a damn pig. No offense.
Freya, mind giving her a hand? We're just taking over entirely?
Hold still. She'll just get you stable so I can take you to Sindri's house. The rest of my herbs are there.
We'll protect the realm in your absence. The four of us.
Vanaheim's in good hands.
Party at Sindri's house, huh? Whoever that is.
Your boat.
Nope. Your boat. Come on, take it. Sail the skies. Sun yourself on its bow. You look like you could use it. Make a Vanir god proud.
He gave you his boat? Nice.
He left me no choice.
It was necessary. Not because it was written.
Prophecy holds that Galahad is the herald of Ragnarok. Whatever it does.
I read about it in Odin's library. Supposedly it...
Hold it, Atreus. We will discuss in private.